Hi and welcome to session 3. Did you notice any tightness or tension in the chest and abdominal area yesterday? And I hope you were able to use your breath to relax that area. Of course, it will all happen with continued practice, so do keep at these sessions. So let's continue our sessions, keeping in mind what meditation teacher Thich Nhat Hanh said. Thoughts and feelings come and go. Conscious breathing is my anchor. You're learning to use your breath to relax the brain and mind. And the breath and body are always in the present moment. And so when you bring your attention to the breath, you are anchoring your mind, reducing its restlessness. But what do you do if you have any intruding thoughts or feelings? Well, firstly, don't fight with the thoughts or feelings, and don't add to it either by feeling bad about the thoughts or feelings. So let them come to your mind. All you have to do is to notice when your mind moves away from the breath, gently move your attention back to the breath. With continued practice, you will realize that your true nature is peace and relaxation. And thoughts and feelings come and go like clouds, your mind always like the clear blue, open sky. So if you're sitting down comfortably, let us begin by taking a few slow, deep breaths, in and out through the nose. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Gently close your eyes and experience the contact of body on chair. Mentally scanning the body from head to toe, experiencing how the whole body feels. Taking your time and experiencing sensations in different parts of the body. Not trying to change anything. Moving your attention now to the breath, allowing your body to breathe in its own natural rhythms. Experience the movements of your abdomen, the rising and falling. Allow your abdomen to relax and letting your arms be relaxed by the side. Breathe in to the count of 3 and breathe out to the count of 4. Now breathing in to the count of 3 and breathing out to the count of 5. few more breaths like that. Breathing in now to the count of 4 and breathing out to the count of 6. And take a few more breaths like that. Prolonging the out-breath even more. Breathing in now to the count of 4 and breathing out to the count of 8. Now allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Notice and experience the rising and falling of the abdomen. Let these rhythmic movements of the abdomen become the anchor for your mind. And if you notice any thoughts or feelings, see if you can let them come, let them be, then letting them go, return your attention back to the breath. Anytime your mind moves away, notice it and bring it back to the breath. Moving your attention back to the contact of body on floor. Notice the contact of air on the skin. Notice any light shining through the eyelids. And slowly and gently open your eyes. How do you feel right now? Were you able to use your breath as an anchor? Did it help you in reducing the restlessness of the mind? So try this before the next session. Anytime your mind is very restless, try to anchor it around your breath. Allow the movements of your body to relax your mind. Combine that with the deep yogic breathing you're learning and notice just how powerful and relaxing your breath is. So try that and come back tomorrow when we'll continue the practice of deep yogic breathing. So have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 4.